This is a video for everyone who wants to know how we know how to do things. Since we've been dried in, all along the way we've been doing electrical here and there, but we've also been working on lots of plumbing, lots of HVAC. So after we finished up all that plumbing that you saw last weekend, we decided to really hit it hard and try to get this house ready for electrical inspection.
Figure out how to make. Supposed to bolt these. Oh, I do it like that. I was like, it's not gonna work. Alright, now I feel better about it.
Once we get our HVAC system done, we make sure all of our plumbing's done, electrical inspection is done, we can get drywall up. So I call this the domino stage right now, where one thing has to happen before another thing can happen. If things go quick and smooth, everything can move along really well. If one step gets hung up, everything else can get slowed down. So it's a little bit of a frustrating stage because a lot of things are out of our hands and we're depending on other people, but it's really satisfying to also see stages being completed and getting all these things done. All right, show the electrical B-roll footage.
Having fun yet?
We got a ton done this week, basically with me working in the mornings, Ryan working in the evenings. We had most of it done by the weekend. So through the weekend, we were mostly doing cleanup, walkthroughs, making sure everything was completely tightened up and ready to go. Now, while we feel pretty good about where the electrical is at, it's really hard to tell whether you're going to pass inspection or not. There could be something we missed. There could be some things that they're pickier on and less picky on others. There's probably things that we worked really hard on and spent a lot of time on that is not going to be a big deal to them. We just don't know. And we have failed an electrical inspection before, so we know what that feels like. So we are hoping to pass, but prepared that we may not. But right now we are really just waiting on the inspector to come. And waiting. Yep, we're just waiting. All right, inspector came today and?
We passed. Barely.
He had some mercy.
Yes, there was a few things he requested that I missed, some little details. We tied our grounds together on the outlet boxes with a little green wire nut with the end sticks out and hooks around to ground the plugs, but I didn't realize you had to do that on the switches too. So that was one of the things he requested to have fixed. And then we have to add grommets to our big heavy duty wires going to our disconnects on the outside of the house. They were just kind of going through a hole into the house, so he asked we do grommets there. And he gave us a bunch of good advice as far as prepping for sheetrock and make sure things don't get too messed up when the sheetrock crew comes in here. But yeah, he said really great things. He said we did a really good job. He said we did our homework. We did better than some contractors. And he said for that reason, he's going to go ahead and pass us because of the situation where the homeowners, we do care that the work is done properly and up to code and safe and all that good stuff. So he gave us the go-ahead, even though we had a few things we're going to change and update for him. So we're on to the next step.
家门口，突然。
Don't pull his arm. Don't pull his arm. Don't pull his arm.